Hi everyone, it is me, Chasing Rainbows, and today I would like to teach you how to make these really cool, fast, fun holiday ornaments made out of everyday items that you might have on hand. So look in your stash and let's get started. And thank you for watching today. So what I did is I took a glass Christmas bulb and filled it with about 12 inches of shiny tinsel. I then added a little bit of green glitter, a little bit of gold glitter. This is the larger size, and then some smaller chunky gold glitter, and I mixed it around inside the glass bulb. I have this really cool Marilyn Monroe ribbon, and I hot glued it very carefully around the circumference of the bulb. And let's cover that seam. So I'm going to grab some more yellow ribbon, hot glue it over the seam, and then I am going to glue it around the neck. I am going to take this eyelash sparkly ribbon, I guess it's called, or cording, and I'm going to put it on the top and bottom of the ribbon. So look at that. That looks really festive already. I cut this leaf off of a party pick and hot glued it to the side of the bulb to cover the yellow ribbon. And then this little tree I found at the 99, I only bought it to take apart because I knew the branches would make a great sparkly filler. So I hot glued that on. And then this is some beaded stuff I had in my stash. I guess it went on a dress. I don't know. And I burned the edges so it wouldn't unravel, and hot glued it on as well. I found the pine cones at the 99. The same ones were at Michael's for $5, but I decided to shop at the 99 for some of the extra pieces I didn't have. And look at it. It's perfect. It looks amazing. Who would even know it came from the 99 store? So this one I already had. I stuck it in there. This was another party pick, and I decided to put glitter on it to dress it up on those little white balls and on the leaf. And it just gives it a better festive look. Be sure to take the little spider webs off from the hot glue because you don't want any workmanship showing. And look at that. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I had this leftover ribbon in my stash from a Nordstrom's gift. So why not recycle it? Put it at the top of the hanger there, and look at the way it comes out. So make sure that all hot glue globs are covered. So I'm going to take that leaf and another pine cone and add it to the back of the bulb. But make sure everything is covered because your customers or receivers of the gifts will be looking very closely at your workmanship. And I had one little tiny spot, so I took 2 inches of the Christmas garland and covered that hot glue part, and look at it. It came out amazing. Try to use everything that you have on hand before going out and buying it. That's what I did. I will show you some other items that I made with stickers. You would never know that they were inexpensive. The ribbon, I believe I bought it a couple of years ago on Etsy, and I'm sure you can find it again. Pardon the big mess on my desk. I was up until 1 in the morning filming this video, and I made about 10 or 15 ornaments. So you'll be able to see those at the end of this video, but let's start making another Marilyn bulb. Now look at this. This is a glass bulb. Be very careful before you put your fingers in there. I did cut myself on one of them. You can carefully break that little piece of glass and use a fingernail file to clear out any sharp edges. So I am adding another 12 inches of garland, red glitter, clear glitter, gold glitter, and another piece of Maryland gross grain ribbon. You can use any type of a ribbon that you have. So this time I'm also going to take the red rickrack and cover the seam again. It will give me a place to glue on more leaves. I'm using a coordinating lip ribbon that I cut with a V and then burn the edges so it does not ravel. I'm going to put that on the hanger. I came across some rhinestone trim that I had bought at Hobby Lobby for around $10, I believe. And then some more beaded flowers. I hot glued the gold beaded flower on top of the red rickrack ribbon. And then I found these other little bits and bobs. Those are going to go around the neck. I had a little tiny Santa hat, and those little ornaments are for miniature trees, shiny pipe cleaners, stickers, and more tree elements from the party picks. So just trim those off. Some of them you may have to use wire cutters if there's wires in there. And let's just start building. The garland is perfect to use. It captures the light. I put 4 stickers at the bottom, and then I'm going to hot glue the garland in the center of where I put the stickers. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so cute. Each one of these ornaments took me about maybe 15-20 minutes at the most to make. Gathering all of the items took longer than even making one ornament. So just gather all of your bits and bobs, have them in one spot so you can pick and choose and grab. And even look at the pipe cleaners. Those look so cute on there. Let's take a quick look at some of the other ones that I just recently made. These were all a special order for someone, and they wanted me to personalize them with someone's name on the inside. And because the ornament was open on the bottom, I decided to take a round piece of cardboard, make a flat base, and then glue all of the garland and make it look fluffy and full. Look at that, so cute. And the top of it, I did use cord to wrap around. This one I used sequins, and look at the little Santa, just little bits and bobs in there, just make it look so cute. This one I put pink rhinestones on the outside. The light dances on it. Oh my gosh. So this is other ribbon that I used. It says ho ho ho. And those little puffy pom-poms really set it off. I love it. And here's another one. This is so cute. I printed out a photo and added a sticker of a Christmas hat. It really makes a difference. I used gold cord for the base of the bulb floor and then added more garland at the very bottom. I used fabric paint to enhance the eyeglasses and color, and of course crystals on stickers really make a difference. They don't even look like stickers. I enhanced the eyes, the nose, and added some coordinating ribbon. Oh my gosh, I really like it. Once you start making these, you are going to want to make them for stocking stuffers, for a hostess gift. They are so much fun. I even used confetti right there where it said Merry Christmas between the antlers, and wow, does it just add a little pop. I used some of my ephemera that I like to use on my greeting cards and stamped out Be Lovely, Sky's the Limit, Use Your Imagination, use up all of that leftover Christmas ribbon and pieces. Even a small broken piece of garland can really make a difference. You can even use those old Christmas cards that you've been saving forever. Also, make sure all of the glue gun spider webs are off of your work. I noticed in some of my photographs here that I took so quickly that I didn't pull them off. Again, recycle, use what you have on hand. And thank you for watching my Hollywood Carney channel, checking out my Erlene Garcia art on Instagram, and Erling Garcia Art on TikTok. Happy holidays. So let me know what you think. Put it in the comments. All right. Bye.